Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to turn on or off flashlight in Honor 600E. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.